Welcome to our video on pool cage maintenance. Here we'll give you some tips for keeping your pool cage in good condition. Whether you're an experienced pool owner or just starting out, this video is a must-watch. Let's get started. First, let me explain why your pool cage maintenance is important. Pool cage maintenance is crucial for preserving the longevity and functionality of your pool cage. These structures not only protect your pool from debris and pests, but they also provide a comfortable outdoor living space for you and your family. In this video, we will discuss some essential tips for maintaining your patio screen enclosure or pool cage to ensure it lasts for many years to come. Here are some maintenance tips. 1. To maintain your pool enclosure, clean it regularly with a mild detergent and water. Remove debris inside and wipe down screens and frames to prevent rust and damage. 2. Regularly inspect and repair damages to your pool enclosure, including holes or tears in screens and rust or damage to frames. Quick repairs prevent further damage and potential hazards. 3. Check the security of your pool enclosure by ensuring all screws, bolts, and fasteners are tight and in good condition. Replace or tighten any loose or missing fasteners to prevent collapse or shifting. In conclusion, regular cleaning, checking for and repairing damages, making sure that it is properly secured, and protecting from severe weather are some of the key steps to take to maintain your screen pool cage. By following these tips for maintaining your pool cage, you can ensure that it lasts for many years to come, providing a safe and comfortable outdoor living space for you and your family. If you're interested in learning more about how to maintain your pool cages and patio screen enclosures, please check out everything we have to offer at our website www.keydescreenful.com.